Hi guys, this is David from Xceleration. In this video, I'm going to show you how to count the unique values in a range with a formula in Microsoft Excel. The goal here is to get a number of unique values contained in a range, of course, without duplicates, excluding or including blank cells. We will go over the two cases. We will work with an example of first names and ages, because we're going to use two different formats: text for the first names and number for the ages. Using filters, you can see the results. So for the first name, it looks like we have 8 values and they are all different. So we would expect to see 8 for the number of unique first names. However, for the ages, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, excluding the blanks, and 6, including the blanks. So those are the numbers that ultimately we want the formulas to return. Let's enter our first formula, getting the number of unique first names, not counting the blanks, equals sum product, and within parentheses, our range, different than nothing, because we want to exclude the blank cells, divided by COUNTIF, selecting our range. For the criteria, selecting the range again, and adding and nothing to again make sure we are not counting the blanks. Closing parentheses for the counting, and closing the sum product, getting the value 8. So going back to formula, how does it work? The sum product will aggregate the result row by row. So in our example, if you focus on the age, for the first value, 24, it will count it as 1 divided by 2, because 24 is found twice, on the first row and on the last row. So 0.5 for the first occurrence and 0.5 for the last occurrence. So 0.5 plus 0.5, 1. And therefore, each unique value will be counted as 1 only. Now let's try the formula for the ages, getting the value 5. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. So now we want to count blank as a valid entry, as a valid unique value. We're going to use the same formulas. We're going to simplify them. So copying my formula. And this time we're going to remove that first part and replace it by 1. Let's try it. 8. Same value because we don't have now blanks for the first names. However, for the ages, now we are getting the value 6, which again is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the blanks. Well, that's it for today. If you liked the video, please let me know by liking it. Feel free to comment. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.